Alive. Welcome everyone to the morning live stream. We're going to get on my favorite show. We're going to watch to see what the suits on CNBC are saying about the stock market. So let me grab my green tea. This live stream is sponsored by green tea, my favorite drink in the morning. If you're trying to be healthy, you should always have a cup of green tea in the morning.
Regardless of how they are used at the outset when they're introduced. Turn this down. And
they got Janet Yellen.
That they
we got
espouse.
We got Janet Yellen on the live.
Adhere to, which is that they have a stable value relative to a fiat currency. That is really what depository institutions guarantee.
I would just suggest that we really think this through. I think the very fundamental and different design suggests
there we go.
That there might be different regulatory approaches. I'm going to run out of time here, so Mr. Chairman, I just want to note that Pillar 1 of the Biden administration's international tax agreement will be the most significant international.
They're talking about crypto. Oh, is that the mask?
To implement that, every one of our bilateral trade.
Thank you for coming on the live.
Tax treaties would need to be modified. There is no historical precedent for bypassing the Senate treaty process to implement Pillar 1. Secretary Yellen, during a recent Finance Committee briefing, I asked you to acknowledge that administration would need to come to the Senate for treaty approval to implement Pillar 1. You responded that Treasury has yet to determine whether a treaty
Welcome
will be
to live,
needed or
everyone.
not. In my view,
please smash the like button. Let's get to 1,000 likes. We're at 400.
Tax treaties and those modifications must be approved by 2/3 of the Senate.
Welcome to
the
live.
executive branch cannot ignore the Senate on a matter that is clearly our constitutional responsibility. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Smash the like button, guys.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And first, let me thank Secretary Yellen for being our guest speaker at the Providence Chamber of Commerce last week. Thank you, Madam Secretary. And I
Great cornholio.
I always do when I'm
Great cornholio. Thank you for coming to live. Smash the like button, guys.
Chairman of the Federal Reserve and Secretary of the Treasury. So thank you, Madam Secretary, for your work. And let me.
So the stock market is down today.
Extend my congratulations for your reappointment.
We got some red.
Thank you.
S&P down.
We've seen, as you both discussed, a steady job growth.
Thank you for the follow. Choose happy. Appreciate the follow.
Has remained depressed.
All right, we got 10 people in the live. Smash the like button. We're about to break 1,000 likes.
Complaint that we received, the inability to.
Let's go, guys. We can get to 1,000.
How do we do that? And what do you think?
Thank you for the likes, guys. Choose happy. Thank you for the likes, man.
The causes of the problem with the participation rate, and then how do we rectify those causes?
So it's very surprising. Since June of last year, the
thank you for the follow, Abbas. Thank you for the follow.
Basically moved up to 2/10 and sort of moved sideways.
This guy is Jesus.
It was surprising, I think, when
all hail Jerome Powell.
Enhanced unemployment insurance ran off and schools reopened.
This is why the stock market keeps going up, because of this guy.
A significant increase in labor supply, and it hasn't happened.
This guy, he prints money.
Why,
if you own stocks or crypto, you get rich.
A big part of it is clearly linked to the ongoing pandemic. People answer surveys.
Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you very much.
They're reluctant to
let's go. We're going to get 20 people in this live. Here we go. We got 20 people.
Things like that. So
25 people in the live. Let's do this.
I'm taking on board is that it's going to take longer.
Smash the like button. 30 people in the live. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Let's go. We're about to break 1,000 likes. Thank you, Ed, for the likes. E. Davison, thank you for the likes. Thank you very much. John, thank you for the likes. Bro, let me in.
To get that, we're going to need price stability. And in a sense, the risk of persistent high inflation is also a major risk to getting back to such a labor market.
Thank you very much. Madam Secretary, let me thank you.
Let's go. We're going to get 40 people in the live.
maximizing the flexibility.
42 people in the live.
Emergency rental assistance program.
1,000 likes, guys. Thank you, everyone, for hitting the like button. Thank you, Samuel, for the follow. You the man.
To get these returns.
Thank you, E. Davison,
is very difficult. I mean,
our funny humans on Earth.
Homeless population. Again, can you?
All right, we're about to break 50 people in this live. Thank you, Japanese, for the like. All right, let's go. We're on our way to 2,000 likes. Thank you very much for the likes. Yeah,
That's
Japanese hot whales.
Important area.
We got 50 people in the live.
I'd be happy to work with you on it. What I can say is that ERA
there we go, 52 people.
Can be used to provide
thank you for the likes, Crypto Advantage.
Services,
thank you for the likes.
To the homeless, to help
what's up?
Shelter. Something that Treasury did.
What's going on?
What are you watching?
This is Janet. What's her name? You don't know who this chick is? Janet Yellen, our old Federal Reserve chair. Stock market is down.
For assistance, household
Treasuries are down.
A so-called rental obligation.
Bailed.
Recognizing that would be something that would be challenging for families.
So we're basically we're talking about why housing prices keep going up. The reason why housing and crypto is going up, it's because of these people. They print money.
So with this letter of intent, that would make it easier for the homeless.
So if you want to know why housing prices are going up, it's because of this female over here.
We think will help, and we'd be
they
glad
print
to
money.
work with you to see if we
Stocks
can
and house
identify
prices
more.
go up.
Thank you, Madam Secretary.
All right, we got 1,500 likes, so thank you very much for everyone that's double tapping the screen here. I'm going to double tap the screen too. There we go, 1,500 likes.
I know you're looking at the state plans, and if you could accelerate that to get the money out, because as you well know, a lot of these moratoriums on eviction are either going or going, and it would be very helpful to get the money out. Thank you.
Thank you, Crypto Advantage, Rodney, for the likes. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Secretary Yellen, some appear to believe that you have announced that unless a debt limit increase or suspension occurs before December 15th, that the Treasury faces imminent default. That's not how I've read your comments. So it would be helpful for you to clarify what your current projection is for when Treasury would run out of headroom to operate below the debt limit and run dangerously low operating cash. I also request that Treasury provide details of its latest debt and cash projections.
Thank you, Mo, for the follow.
And look forward to receiving those projections.
Thank you very much for the follow, Mo.
Yes, let me clarify what I said. What I indicated in my most recent letter to Congress is that
thank you for the follow, user 58.
The Treasury will be able to finance the U.S. government through December 15th, but there would be scenarios in which Treasury would not have sufficient funds to continue to finance the operations of the U.S. government beyond that date. I would note that on December 15th, Treasury will invest funds from the infrastructure bill.
We are going to have a massive market crash. How do you know that?
Worth of capacity when those
we got a perma bear in the chat.
From the Highway Trust Fund are invested.
Why are you bearish?
In government securities, and I didn't say that there is no way that we can make it past December 15th. There are a range. There's uncertainty about what our cash balance will be and our resources. Right now, there is uncertainty about where we will be on December 15th. And there are scenarios in which we can see it would not be possible to finance the government. That doesn't mean that there are not also scenarios in which we can, but we think it's important for Congress to recognize that we may not be able to, and therefore to raise the debt ceiling
Exactly.
expeditiously.
Well, thank you for that.
Crypto is the best hedge against inflation in this market uncertainty that I can think
Chair
of.
Powell,
I
inflation
agree.
hit 6.2% last
That's a
month,
good
which is
comment.
the highest in more than 3 decades. Still, the administration is pushing
With
for
the
support of
EVs
a
this century, it's going to be an all-time high.
social
You're right
spending
with
package. And by the way,
EVs.
that number even accepts
That
the
is correct.
that high real cost
It is
could
possible.
mean
You are
several
right.
trillion more in spending over the next 10 years.
I'm selling my gold and
Most
silver
of that spending does nothing
niche.
to ameliorate the problems arising
I'm not
of
very
rising
bullish
inflation. In
on
fact, will
gold
simply
or
add fuel
silver.
to the inflation fire.
I own
I'm very
some, but
concerned that the
I'm selling
administration
out.
is not taking inflation's threat seriously, and in the case of energy prices, is enacting regulatory policies
Look at the
that
big
themselves
boys.
are threats. Do you agree that inflation is a serious threat to our economy? And how do you
Yeah, I agree too.
address inflation?
Hey, Sam, you want to come on the
I
live?
do think that the threat of persistently
You have the
higher
ability to
inflation
come on
is
this live
growing.
stream.
I
Let
think
me actually invite you.
my baseline expectation is still, as I mentioned, and most forecasters, is still that inflation
Jump on the
will
live,
move back
man.
down over the course of next year,
Ooh,
closer to our target. But
silver
clearly
to the
risk
moon? What
of
price?
more persistent inflation
What
has
price?
risen. And I think what you've seen is you've seen our policy adapt, and you'll see it continue to adapt. We will use our tools to make sure that higher inflation does not become entrenched. I noted in your opening statement that you indicated that inflation pressures will linger well into next year. You do stand by that? Yes, I think we can now see
Crypto's going to go down further than stocks. Maybe.
It's an expectation. We're
Maybe, but so far stocks have been going down more than crypto.
You may have noticed. But yes, right into the middle of next year, and that's our expectation. But of course, what's happened is that.
By the way, I need to sell more Alibaba stock.
As supply side.
Who here has lost a ton of money on Alibaba?
And if
I need to get out of my Alibaba stock.
Plus in spending,
it's been a good tax write-off.
Increases in taxes, would that add to inflationary pressures?
Stocks are on their last leg. What makes you think that?
Just note that we have a long-standing
yeah, I hope money flows from stocks to crypto. Why sell at the bottom? Because I don't want to be holding the bag. And I don't want a tax deduction. So what I can do is I can sell right now at a loss, and next year I can buy back in. And if Alibaba goes back up, I get the upside and I get the tax deduction. Hopefully that makes sense. Go golfing.
Very soon. Certainly in coming weeks. And
okay. Let me see if I can do Fox Business. I'll do that actually.
It's been a very busy time, as you will know.
It's bottoming, yeah, but I can buy back in, right? So I get the tax deduction and then I buy at the new low bottom, if that makes sense. I don't know if I want to hold Chinese stocks for a few years. I hate AT&T and I hate Discovery. I'm selling those. I've lost a lot of money in AT&T. At least they have a dividend though. And I've lost money in Discovery. I got out of stocks and went full into crypto. Wash sale, yeah, that's with crypto. Wash sale is with crypto. That's an advanced trading technique. Go golfing. But yeah, you know what's up. Yeah, you have many insiders. Okay, let's see what Fox Business has. I don't know if I can find it though. Let me see if I can get Fox Business.
Both for the American economy and for the world's economy.
Where is Fox Business?
But I think, as you've indicated, Chair Powell.
See, it doesn't recommend it to me.
I think we're seeing our economy come back.
That's BS, dude. It gives me all the sports channels and pro football talk.
Plan, maybe even a bit of the Build Back Better, but that's part of our
but
job.
It's not giving me Fox Business.
Since your FOMC's November meeting, that the Fed signaled a shift.
It's giving me all the other Fox channels, but not Fox Business.
Means you've used and announcing a tapering on the pace of bond purchases.
Sorry, guys.
By month as the economy continues to strengthen. I'd like you to get into that a little
bit.
bit.
I would Google wash sale.
That decision for a gradual change in course.
Markets are in the top.
How long do you think take
The market
effect to
trades at 90
gradually
cykes.
wind down these purchases.
So you're very bearish,
made a
huh?
decision on that, but I would
I
just
think
say
I'm more
this,
bullish
the most
than you.
recent data, particularly since the November FOMC meeting, show
Thank you for the
elevated
follow,
inflation
Gary.
pressures, a rapid improvement in many labor
Here we
market
go.
indicators without an accompanying addition of labor supply.
There's Fox
And also
News.
strong spending that really signals
Where's Fox
growth,
Business?
big significant growth in
Oh, here we go.
Remember that every dollar of asset
I think
purchases
this is
actually
Fox
adds accommodation
Fox
to the economy.
Business. This is Fox Business. Come on, give me Fox Business.
So I don't enjoy that.
Yep, we got
Stock
Fox
reports
Business in the
make
news.
sense. Lauren, I'm also thinking too that I had a chance
Let me
to
go ahead and
talk
add
to
this too.
Mayor Bloomberg at that Al Smith dinner, and he said that Eric Adams.
Okay, there you go. I added Fox News.
He says Eric Adams and he have been talking almost every day.
They have a lot of debt though,
Took over for
Mohammed.
Giuliani, who did the stop and frisk, and they criticized
I might buy a little bit when the trend fixes.
He didn't really run from that when he
But for now, I'm not going to touch AT&T and Discovery until the trend changes, because so far they've been in a downtrend. And I know AT&T has a lot of debt.
find out where the guns are and have that deterrent of if you're caught, you'll be arrested. The other thing you got to get rid of is the no cash bail. I mean,
Hey, as soon as the trend changes on AT&T and Discovery, I'll buy in. They're both down 5%. Exactly. They're still in a downtrend. So as soon as they correct the downtrend and they change, I'll jump on the bandwagon.
He asked his brother's top aide to let him assist the team defending the former governor, Andrew Cuomo. This, as CNN says, it will have conversations to seek additional clarity. Do you think Chris Cuomo can survive this, Brian?
I'm not sure. So.
Yeah, that's true. But once again, it could go down more. It could get bought out. You're right. We could be at the bottom. But usually there's like a reversal. You don't think much farther. Well, I usually think there's a reversal. And I like to get in when there's a reversal. So if there's some upside, then I'll get in. So maybe I don't get the absolute bottom, but at the same time, I want to get in when there's an uptrend. So, but you're right. It could be at the bottom. We don't know.
He's got the answer to his audience and to his management. But I get the sense, though, worse could be yet to come because there's more papers that could come out. Freedom of Information Acts, I'm sure, will be enacted. The Governor Cuomo, the disgraced governor, has.
What's up, Michigan versus MSU? Welcome to the live.
Nobody likes him. He's got no
Sometimes I feel like we saw the top. Yeah, possibly.
I'm not sure how popular he is in the
Possibly.
I just know that out of their prime time, they're sucking wind. I mean,
The Dow is down, guys. Good day to buy the dip. I might have to buy some Boeing today. When Boeing is this cheap, you got to buy.
The hour in the morning, it's about 20%. The Atlantic, a liberal news.
All right, guys, I'm going to redo my live stream. Give me like 2 minutes. Let me quickly. So I'm going to go live again in about 2 minutes. I want to buy some stocks. So I am probably going to buy some Boeing today. And maybe some other stocks too, but it looks like Boeing's going to be good. So I'll be back on this live stream. So give me 2 minutes. I want to make some buys and then I'll come back on. Thank you for watching.